Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how to update a BIOS on an older Gigabyte motherboard. The motherboard in this video is a H77M-D3H motherboard. I believe it's a 3rd gen Intel CPU in it, so it's fairly old, but I still think it's relevant to put a video up on how to update the BIOS on these old motherboards. Basically, I've just typed in the motherboard name into Google and just went to the main Gigabyte website, which is the top one there. And then once I've clicked on there, it brings up the motherboard specifications, and I've just gone to support. So basically when you go in and go to support and download the BIOS update, just download the latest BIOS update. In my case it's F14. So just download that and upload it to a USB. Just remember to extract the files before you open it up in the BIOS. Because later on in this video I make that mistake. So I tried to open the file and I hadn't extracted the files within the USB. So yeah, just make sure you extract the file before you put on the USB, or else it won't detect the file, and you see that later in the video. Flash utility, yes. Let's go update BIOS from drive. So we just want to update it from store and go, and just select the F14 file. File size incorrect. Strange. No, so I was supposed to extract it first. Because it's of course it's a 7C file. So yeah, just remember guys, when you do this, extract it before you open it up in the BIOS. So now I should be able to use that file there, the .f14 one. So again, let's go to QFlash, enter. We just want to go update BIOS from drive. Want to go to store and go, which is my USB, and we want to go to the H77M-D3H F14 file. And we just want to, yes. So when we do this, do not touch it, do not switch the computer off or anything. So do its thing. If you touch it, you'll break the motherboard. So we'll just power reset, and then it'll turn back on. And that's it.